Hello, this is Mr. O, and I'm going to show you how to use the mirror tool for a shape that you might want to replicate, which is perfectly uniform on the one side and it's exactly the same on the other side. And I'm going to show it with the drawing that I've just been using for a little while. So I'm going to choose the top that I'm going to work from in 2 dimensions. So there's my top view. I'll move it over so you guys can see more easily. And I'm going to create a random shape using the line tool, and somewhere around, let's just say there, and I'm going to close that up to about there. Okay, and then escape. I have my shape there. So what I'm going to do now, I'll zoom, as you can see, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to the mirror and I'm going to select the sides that I'm going to mirror. There we go. And now I'm going to select what line am I going to mirror it based on. And I'm going to mirror it, that is my Y line. I'm going to go the left hand side and replicate it completely, as you can see, on the right hand side. And then I push OK, and it is now done. It has been replicated. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select that side and select Shift and select that side as well. So I push down Shift and I select the other side. Go to 3-dimensional mode. You can see my weird shape, and I'm going to push Finish Sketch. That is now highlighted pretty well. So if I want to possibly extrude a hole in that shape, because I seem to be doing that a lot lately, I click on that. Those are both highlighted, and I drag it down past the bottom. I'm hoping it is, and I push Return. And as you can see, I've just used the mirror function to create a weird shape that is uniform, which I created using my top view. That's making me dizzy. There we go there, and turn it around there. So I've just replicated that using the mirror. I hope that helps in your sketch creation.